Hello friends, this is Abhishek. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how you can configure the radio button and checkbox in Polymer for the Android material design, just like the lollipop UI. Okay, I hope you have watched my earlier videos in which I have shown you how we can configure the Polymer project for the Phonegap applications or for the HTML based designing. Okay, uh, so let's start today's example. So here, first of all, as in my earlier videos I have tell you that whenever you want to use the new control and if you don't have a supported files, then you have to download that first, and after that you can use that in that supporting files to your project. Okay, first of all, if I want to use the checkbox or radio button into my projects, and if I don't have a components, then I have to download it. Okay, so let's see how we can download that. So just go to the polymer-project.org, and here I want to download I want to create a checkbox. Okay, so first I have to select the checkbox, and I have to get the paper checkbox supported files, and then the radio button. Okay, the same way, and the radio button group. Okay, these are the three files which you have to download first, and after that you can see over here I have already copied that files to my component folder, that is the paper checkbox, radio button and radio group. Okay, so now we're gonna include these files to our project. As you can see over here, I have included all three HTML files to my project. Okay, and then I have used that three files to my project. Okay, so first we're gonna create a checkbox. Okay, here you can see the checkbox, that is the paper checkbox ID which I have given. After that, if you want to make it checked by default, then you can write the checked. Okay, and after that your text, whatever the text is. Okay, now let's see the output. Okay, let me remind you, I have hosted this project into the WAMP, so I can run it directly. If you download this application or this example from my website infologs.in, this will not run directly. You have to host this into the IIS or any other web server. Okay, so let's do this. Polymer. Okay, here you can see my checkbox which is automatically checked. Okay, but if you notice, I'm clicking on here, I'm not able to check it from the based if I click on the text. Okay, so for that you have to take this text and add label equals the text. Now when you click over here, you can do it directly. Okay, but you cannot get that effect. If you clicked on checkbox, then you can get that effect. Okay, suppose you want to change the color of the shadow. Okay, so you can go with here paper checkbox dash shadow dash hash ink. Okay, red, I want to make it green. If I click here, then I can see the green color, and shadow checkbox, then yellow. Okay, the checkbox shadow is right, guys. And the same way, if you want to use the radio button, okay, then you have to import that first radio button, paper radio button. So here I have created a simple radio button. Okay, and I hope you knows why we need to use the radio button group. Okay, if you want to make a single choice from the multiple options, then you have to use the paper radio group. Okay, but before that you have to include the paper HTML for the radio button group. Okay, here I have imported that, and label is this, and by default I want to make check. for the male, and after that I'm gonna load this. Okay, the male is checked. After that I'm clicking on a female. Both are getting checked. Okay, I hope you knows why the reason behind it. So here I have to make the name same. Name is equal to gender, and name is equal to gender. Now I'm clicking on this, but still they are checking both the way. So okay, you have to make a little bit changes over here. CLCTD selected is equals to, you have to specify name. I'm differentiating the name. Okay, and if you want to make the male selected, then select this, and you do not need to use checked here. Okay, the male is checked. Now I'm gonna click female. Okay, now it's working properly. Okay, I'm gonna click here, that's still working. Right guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial related to the checkbox and radio button for the material design by using the Polymer for the Phonegap application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos on Polymer material design, and don't forget to like us on Facebook, Tech News on Infologs. Right? Thank you for watching. Bye bye.